If you are looking for a fast and straightforward process to get the Spanish residency permit with few requirements and all advantages, the Golden Visa is your option to get your residency permit in Spain. Today, in this video, we are going to speak about everything about Golden Visa. We are going to speak about the requirements, about the process, about the advantages, about the most frequent questions that you ask about this permit, all in this video. But let's start. What is exactly the Golden Visa, the residency permit as an investor? What does it mean? What does it mean, this permit? Well, here there is several things to take in consideration. This permit is for 1, 2, 3 years. So you would get immediately a 3 years residency permit in Spain. This permit allows you to live and to work in Spain. This permit allows you to travel freely all around the Schengen area, the Schengen zone. This permit also allows you to work for you and your partner, allows you to bring your kids into the permit. And the most important thing, it's a very fast permit. In 20 labor days, just 20 labor days, you will get your permit for you and your family. If you are finding this video interesting, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and you will get most information about everything in immigration, everything what is happening in immigration, the permits, the updates, the movements, the tips, everything. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. Who can apply for this Golden Visa permit? Well, here there is 4 things to take in consideration. The first thing, it has to be a non-European citizen. Second thing, older than 18 years old. Third thing, no criminal records on the countries where he resided the last 5 years. And the fourth, he has to prove that he has been done an investment on real estate of $500,000, bank deposit 1 million, investment fund 1 million, or bonds of the state 2 million. So this would be the 4 things to take in consideration in order to be applicant for this Golden Visa. Let's continue with the explanation of the Golden Visa. How is the process? The process has 4 steps. The first step, and is the reason why you will get this permit, would be to do the investment. You have to do an investment in real estate over $500,000 or 1 million in a bank deposit, 1 million in shares of the companies, or 2 million in debts of the state. Normally the people, they invest in real estate $500,000 or more. Very important things to take in consideration. This investment has to be out of charges. You have to buy it in community of assets if you are married, or in separation of assets, just one investor. These things, it's important in order to qualify. You need to be sure that there is no debts with the property, no problems on legal terms with this property. That's why Balsage Group can help you during the investment to be sure that you buy the property correct to apply for Golden Visa. Second step, once you get the investment done, is to submit the application. The application has to be submitted by a lawyer online. Our lawyers in Balsage Group, they can help you, and we submit all the paperwork. You need to provide criminal records, birth certificate, marriage certificate, medical insurance of Spain, all this with apostille of The Hague, and then you need to prove that you've done this investment on real estate with the deed from the notary and a certificate from the property register. So this will be the second step, to submit the application. In 20 labor days, very fast, you will get the permit approved for you and your family. Even some cases, they are answering before the 20 days, so it's a really fast-track process. That is one of the advantages of Golden Visa. Dealing with immigration could be very long, but this type of permit, it goes very fast. So that's one of the points of this permit as an investor, as the Golden Visa. So in 20 labor days, we receive the positive answer and we go to the third step. Third step is to organize everything to get the residency ID. So we need to book an appointment at the National Police, and on the day of the appointment, they will take your fingerprints and a photo of you, and then after 4 or 5 days, we will do the fourth step, the last one, the best one, to collect your residency ID. A residency ID of Spain, valid for 3 years. Remember, Spain is part of the European Union, is part of the Schengen zone, so this permit will be recognized in other European countries in the Schengen area as a travel document with the passport in order to move freely around the Schengen space. So this would be the first steps: to buy, to apply for the residency ID once the file is approved, and to collect the card. And now, to conclude with this video, we are going to move to the fact, to the frequent asked question, the questions that the investor asks before moving ahead with this investment residency permit, the Golden Visa. First question that A lot of people, they ask, can I buy several properties under $500,000? And the answer is yes, but all the properties together that you invest in, they need to be above $500,000. The total, the amount invested has to be above $500,000. Second question, and always very frequent question, can I get finance when I buy a property? Yes, you can get finance, you can get a mortgage, but you have to be clear that $500,000 has to be invested in cash. What is over this $500,000 can be finance, can be a mortgage. Another frequent question, can I buy the property jointly with my spouse? And the answer is yes, but in this case, you need to buy this property under the economical regime of community of assets to be valid only with $500,000 to be able to apply for this golden visa permit. And the last but very important asked question, can I use properties that I bought several years ago? Yes, you can use these properties, but there is a limit. They need to be done, the investment, after October of 2013. So all the properties that you bought after this October 2013, they will count for the golden visa application. Well, this is all. This is all about the golden visa. I hope you liked the video. I would like to tell you again to remind you that you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. You will see a lot of information about immigration. You can also contact our company if you need more in detail information, to get a consultation with one of our lawyers, to go more into the personal case. Thank you very much. We make it happen.